Now, let's take a closer look at this mustard plant here. The mustard plant is actually kind of pretty. I know. When you hear that a plant is scientifically known as Brassica campestris, pretty is not the first thing that you associate with it. But it's true for this plant, which has bright yellow flowers and tender green leaves. It is sown in winters and it bears fruit by the end of winters. The plant can be used as a vegetable and its seeds are used to squeeze oil out of them, which is used famously all over Pakistan as sarson oil or mustard oil. Now, this plant is said to have two parts. There is a vegetative part and a reproductive part. Can you name these parts just by looking at it? The roots, stem, leaves, and branches here are the vegetative part. That is, they do not take part in the sexual reproduction of the plant. However, the flowers are the reproductive part of the plant as they take part in sexual reproduction and produce fruits and seeds through them. How unique is that? We will learn more about the plants in the subsequent chapters. But before we do that, let's focus a bit on our little animal friends. Remember the frog that I mentioned earlier? Well, let's talk about it some more now. A frog is a classic example of a multicellular organism. Did you know scientists call it Rana tigrina? Who would have thought a frog's scientific name would be such a tongue twister? So, this organism has organs and organ systems. It contains multiple types of tissues, including epithelial tissues, glandular tissue, nervous tissue, even its own muscular tissue.